AGZA Capture.
Today we are gathered to acknowledge Prologis as the first of its kind to become AGZA Green Zone Certified Level 1.
We're the world's largest industrial landlord. We're in 23 countries. We're 1.3 billion square feet.
With this achievement, we have transitioned to electric handheld equipment at nearly 380 properties in the Chicagoland area.
We see this as just the beginning to build a resilient, responsible landscaping industry.
AGZA really appreciates everything that you've done to make this accomplishment a reality.
AGZA Capture.